What's going on, YouTubers? So it's been a couple weeks since I mowed, and I was out here mowing the orchard, and I got looking. There's damage to the trees out here, and well, it wasn't hard to figure out the culprits. I don't know if any of you follow my TikTok, but if you do, you've seen that my fish like eating these things, so I'm going to catch what I can. Ah, they're quick today. Oh, you little sucker. Usually you can just grab them. Son of a gun. These things are lively. Look at them suckers. Ah. Now this tree was covered with the cicadas, but well, you can see them flying around everywhere out in the pasture there. But that tree didn't have any damage, but this one does. This one does. So they lay their eggs in those little branches and they break them off. This little tree, they did a number on it. Oh, you sucker. Dang it. Oh, I just seen one land in that tree. Oh, where'd he go? Ah, man. I've never seen them so hard to catch. There's one. Oh, I got you. Might be better to knock them down on the ground than get them. they're coming back as fast as I can get them off of it. Oh, come on, guys. Ah, there went one. Looks like they've done some damage to the blackberries too. Dang it, there's one right there. Oh, I thought I had him. It's just a sad year for the little orchard. They already got hit with a hard freeze and lost all the... Oh, crap. Lost all the blooms. I think out of, I don't even know how many trees we got here, but I think that's my total of fruit. 2 peaches on this little dink tree. All the other fruit got hit by a hard freeze, even though we covered every tree. Oh! I'm slow today. Well, this poor tree is covered with cicadas. They peed on me. Ah, shoot. Oh, you sucker. God dang it. Now this is the tree I started on, and it's already covered with them again. Well, I got a few, but I mean, as many that were on those trees when I started, I thought I'd get a bucket full. But man, they're lively today. Usually you can just walk up and grab them, but they were really wanting to fly today. Quick. I don't really have anything against cicadas, but I can't have them destroying my orchard. The chickens love them. It's like candy to them. Grab and run. They don't last long in there. That one's, I think some of these are just dead. Yeah, you're too dumb to even find it. I got a bobber on there. I might have to take that off. We'll see. Oh, it's still on there, it looks like. Now they got it. Well, that didn't take long. Next. I can't believe they're even nibbling. I figured they just inhale it. I thought maybe they got it already, but it's still on there. Oh! Oh, there's one. We got something on the cicada. Is that a crappie? Sure is. Look at that. The cicada. You can see it in there. That's crazy. And that's a pretty healthy crappie. I think he's been eating some. Still got my bait. Oh, that's, man, as soon as that hit the water, something grabbed it. Ah. Really surprised me that they're nibbling at it before they take it. Tell you what, I'm going to, that's a weighted hook. So it's, oh, something's grabbing it. I think I'll just tie on a regular little hook. And that way because these fish are used to those cicadas floating. Okay, I just tied on a number 6 Aberdeen hook. I'm going to use that and nothing else. If I can get it tossed out there, I think this will work. If he don't fly with it. Oh, he did help me get it out there. Oh, and I missed it. Son of a gun. Let's try that again. Oh, he's flying. Oh, he flew back. Something grabbed it right there. There we go. That'll get something. There we go. Fatty. The bluegill's not that big, but it's got a belly on it. It's been eating good. I think you've ate a few cicadas. Missed it. Third species on the cicada. There he goes, little bass. I'm gonna come over here to the other pond where I've seen some big bluegill feasting on the cicadas. We got a flyer. Oh, he's getting ate. They won't be able to resist those wings of going. There we go. What will it be? Another bass. Easy, 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 easy. There's something. Another bluegill. Pretty little one. Oh, I hate that they've destroyed my fruit trees, but I'm getting a pretty good revenge, I think. Karma. Oh, we got another flyer. Flew right out there. Missed it. Here it comes. Oh, yeah. That's a better one there. That's a better one. They're loving them some cicadas. Got right in the hard part of the mouth, didn't you? That's a good hookup, but hard to get out sometimes. Oh! There you go. Oh, that one's trying to take off. I don't think you're gonna make it, buddy. Oh! Fatty McFatty. Ooh, it's out there. That one won't last long. Oh, my goodness. My goodness, what we got here? Oh, a little bit better bass. Little chunker. Sorry guys, I got to pull a wing off. I can't have you coming back to my trees. Oh, I didn't get the wings off that when it flew off. Last one. Oh yeah. Well guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like that video, just hit that little like button there. Ow, deer fly. And it'd be great if you could leave a comment down below and subscribe. That'd be awesome. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.